Hey guys, Dave here, and I'm with Jax, and we are on our way to a major home remodeling project. This is a Ranch Home Remodel in Bergen County, New Jersey. It's a home that a young couple purchased. They never moved into. They handed us the keys, and we're completely remodeling this home. It's an existing 1,600 square foot ranch, and we are rebuilding the entire house, basement, first floor, and adding a whole second floor. In all, it's almost 5,000 square feet on the complete remodel. So we're going to go over there and take a look, and we're going to show you around a little bit. Okay guys, so we just arrived on site and we have a couple of crews here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you around this major home remodeling project. This entire home has been converted from top to bottom. It was a young family purchased this house. They didn't move in. They gave us the keys to the house, a set of plans, and we're completely converting this house for them, and we are way ahead of schedule. Let me show you around this house. It's amazing. Okay, so this is the ranch that we started off with. Right now, you can see obviously we built the second floor. We did the conversion already, and now we're doing the cosmetics on the outside. This is a big project. This house is existing almost 1,600 square feet on the first floor, and we ripped the roof off, gutted the first floor, gutted the basement, which is a full basement, and look at this now. Let's go inside. I'm going to show you what this house looks like. We'll walk through the garage, and we'll go floor by floor. All right, so walking through a scaffold here because the crew is installing limestone capping around the masonry level. Remember, we removed the brick on this house and then we created this level here, and from this point up we're going to be installing hardy board. So let's go through the garage, and we have some storage in here now, and we already installed all the HVAC venting. Utilities are in place, and this is a complete conversion. This was the existing two-car garage, and let's go into the basement door leading into the full basement. Okay, so as we walk in here, we redesigned the basement, replaced the utilities. Now we have a brand new utility room over here. We have a larger bathroom that was here. We had to change the piping. You can see the walk-in shower. We're going to have a sink and a toilet, and then a linen closet. This is right inside through the garage as you enter. We have an open foyer going on here, and then a full open basement. We changed all the framing. We changed all the electric, all the plumbing. All the utilities have been changed. You can see this 200 amp panel box. Look at all the new wires coming down from upstairs. So this is a 3-zone HVAC home. We have a zone on the basement, a zone on the first floor, and a zone on the second floor. There's a basement there's a bathroom on the first floor, a bathroom in the basement, and 2 bathrooms upstairs, all full bathrooms. So let's make our way up to the first floor. Okay, so you see the new staircase going up. This has all been redesigned, relocated. We changed the staircase layout, and as we enter the kitchen, here we have a full-size kitchen. Now on the ground we have it marked out for the cabinetry, so it's going to be full cabinets all the way across that wall. There's about 22 feet over here. You have an 8-foot island that's going to have a wine cooler and a microwave. Over here it's going to have the cabinetry is going to start, and you have your dishwasher, your sink right underneath the window, and then you're going to have a cooktop, and then a full wall oven over there, and then a refrigerator. This over here is the pantry, so they have a ton of space in this kitchen. And as you look around, this used to be 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms on this particular floor. Now it's a large open floor plan. We created a whole new ceiling system, all TGIs, and everything's brand new from what you're looking at up there. We pulled the ceiling down, pulled the roof off, and added a whole second floor. So you can see all the space here. You have the kitchen. We're standing in the dining room here. We have the living room, fireplace over here. And then as you look at the front door, we have the front door covered up for the protection. We have a back door leading out to a deck. and we'll walk around the other side of the living space on that side. So let's take a look. All right, so on the other side of the front door, as we walk through here, there's going to be a piano room here, all open, leading to a den, most likely a little office. Going to be a double French door, and that French door is going to be looking out into that portion of the house. Over here, as we make our way through, we have a guest bedroom, we have a closet, another closet, and a full bathroom with a shower. Everything's in place. Again, we are completely set up now. All utilities, we take care of everything. Look at all this, all the PEX, plumbing, HVAC, wiring, kitchen setup. Everything is ready for our installation and sheetrock. So let's go up to the second floor now, which is this new staircase put into place. It's all open, looking up to the second floor. So let's make our way up there. All right, so as we get going to the second floor, it opens up to a full hallway. I'll show you once we get up there, and you can see the size of the living space here, another 1,600 square feet. And as we get up here, we're immediately stepping right in front of the laundry room, washer, dryer, all that's in place. And we have up here 3 bedrooms, 3 large bedrooms, 1, 2, and then that whole half of the house is the master bedroom, bathroom suite. So as we look through here, you have a bedroom, great sized bedroom. You have a walk-in closet. You have also the bedroom area right here, and you have a Jack and Jill bathroom between these 2 bedrooms over here. All right, so as we make our way into the Jack and Jill bathroom, you can see we have a double sink, private toilet, and as you turn around here, you have the tub, which is covered up with some cardboard right now to protect it. And this leads us into the other bedroom. In all, there's 4 bedrooms in this house, and this is another larger bedroom. All the bedrooms have walk-in closets. This one's a little bit larger, and you can see the size of this closet right here. And everything has been taken care of and set up and installed by Pangione developers. And right now we're going to make our way into the master bedroom suite. And as we walk through the hallway, again, we came up the stairs here. We turn and we have a nice arch window right outside the master bedroom entry, which is a double door leading into the master bedroom suite. And then as we walk in here, now we enter the master bedroom, and we have a full 10-foot ceiling, cathedral, with a tray ceiling. As you look up there, you can see all the utilities in the full attic. And this is a great size bedroom. We have the bedroom area here. We have the master bathroom suite there, and the master closet. And as we walk into the master bathroom, we have a pocket door leading in. We have a soak tub right under an arch top window. We have a full shower, which is approximately 6 by 5. That shower is going to have a rain head above and also a handheld on the wall. It has a private toilet, his and hers sinks, and some open area in the center. It's going to have a radiant heat floor all throughout this area here, and it's a great size master bathroom. And right over here, it leads into the master closet. You have a pocket door here. You have 2 doors. You have a pocket door leading into the bathroom, and you have another door leading back into the bedroom. This is approximately 16 feet by 14 feet. Full-size walk-in closet. It's going to be wrapped with shelves and poles all the way through, all the way around. We're going to have a private makeup area here, light directly over the makeup vanity, and then there's going to be an island here. You have a chandelier over the island, and the GFI is in the island. So this is all set up. Everything is ready for installation, sheetrock, and you can see how nice and neat the whole job site is. Hey guys, Dave here, and if you're interested in a major home remodeling project in New Jersey, give us a call at 201-774-3733. Again, 201-774-3733. You can see our video channel if you go to YouTube and search the word Remodeling HQ, which is the name of our channel. HQ stands for headquarters. That's all one word, Remodeling HQ. Our website is bergencountycontractors.info. Again, bergencountycontractors.info. You can see thousands of pages posted on our website. And again, our phone number is 201-774-3733. We handle the entire project, turnkey packages from start to finish. If you have any questions, give me a call or email us info@pangione.developers.info. You can directly correspond with me if you have any questions about your home remodeling project. We can give you a 24-hour bid turnaround. You give us a call, we'll ask you a couple of questions, and within 24 hours we'll have a price for you for your major home remodeling project. Again, our number 201-774-3733. Thanks.